This lock is based on a sidebar design. You see a pin, you see a slider next to the pin and the sidebar.
And the sidebar is in purple.
So when we put torque on that cylinder, the sidebar try to retract, but it's blocked by that slider. So in order for that lock to open, the pin has to move the slider to the right height so the sidebar can enter the groove of the slider and the lock can be opened. So that's the principle of the Smartkey as far as the slider sidebar combination. So, and the way that they can make the different combinations is the way that they fit the pin to the slider with these different channels. The slider staying at the same position, the sidebar at the same position, but the pin configuration, pin slider changes for the different depths from 1 through 6.
Yeah, the relationship between the pin tumbler on the right-hand side and the yellow slider, those separate in reprogramming mode so that they index to one of the 6 different little teeth on the slider. And then they bring it back together. That's how the combination is changed in this lock. Go ahead, Toby.
And it's the same thing. It's not only one pin slider combination. We have in total for the Smartkey, we have 5 pins and 5 sliders. So the sliders are the ones that sets the combination inside the Smartkey cylinder. So when you put the key and the key is set to that combination, you see the red dot? That's where the sidebar drops. Okay? So when the sidebar drops at that combination, that lock can be opened. And the pins just follow the combination of the key. In this case, we have 2, 6, 3, 4, 1, which is the individual depth of each key. So if we want to rekey the lock, we have to put the working key into the lock. They have a special tool that it will move a blocking like a hub that houses all those sliders. And what happens is that the sliders separate from the pins. So now we can remove the pins, but the pins, the sliders are at the same they're shear line with the.
Yeah, they're locked into position, so they can't go anywhere until we stick another key in.
So we can put another key. That key sets to the combination of the key, and then we have to bring all those sliders back to engage again to the sliders, the pins. So we have a new key working for this lock. So it's a very clever design, and they have a ball bearing, so to prevent also.
Okay, so these are the